Forschungszentrum Jülich is one of the largest interdisciplinary research centers in Europe. The Institute of Energy and Climate Research is the largest institute in Jülich, with about 900 people, focusing on the development of new technologies for the energy transition, climate and environmental protection. Materials are at the core of such technologies. That's why materials research plays a central role in our activities. The strong interaction between materials development, processing, and testing under realistic conditions makes our approach unique.
The whole IK5 works on a wide area of photovoltaic-related research, so crystalline silicon solar cells, water splitting and CO2 reduction, but there's also perovskite-based solution processable solar cells and the analytics and simulation of these types of solar cells. The most specific aspect that is unique here is that we're trying to combine theory, simulation, analytics and the device making in one place, and that we have the possibility to combine the perovskite-based solar cells with crystalline silicon-based solar cells in-house to make tandem solar cells. So essentially solar cells that are based on two different materials with two different band gaps. The hope is that we will, with our crystalline silicon-based research, we will help the current generation of solar cells, crystalline silicon solar cells, to become better and cheaper. The perovskite-based research there, the hope is that we will be able at one point to have substantially higher efficiencies.
In the division of Electrochemical Process Engineering, my group is focused on synthesizing nanostructures and electrocatalysts for energy conversion applications, such as electrolyzers and fuel cells. We have unique capability to synthesize and characterize the next generation materials and components, and at the same time we possess the ability to apply these novel materials in actual real running cells and stacks and systems. To develop the next generation electrocatalyst, we are using ex situ, in situ and operando characterization to explore the efficiency, degradation, reaction kinetics and mechanism of the electrocatalyst. To achieve our goals, we are collaborating with different groups around the world. For instance, with the USA, we are working with NREL and with Berkeley. With Israel, we are working with the Technion and also with Tel Aviv University. We are working with Singapore, with the NTU, and also with Germany and Denmark.
In the division of material synthesis and processing, we develop ceramic materials and components for efficient energy conversion and storage. To supply chemical energy carriers, we develop ceramic-based gas separation membranes for oxygen and hydrogen production, as well as solid oxide fuel cells, which can also be used for electrolysis. To store electricity, we concentrate on solid-state lithium and sodium batteries. We start from the development of new ceramic electrolytes that are combined with electrochemically active materials as electrodes to make high-performance battery cells. High-temperature materials, especially thermal and environmental barrier coatings, but also new ceramic composites based on max phases, play a key role to improve gas turbines for power generation and aircraft engines. The Jülich Summer Spray Center gathers all possible coating technologies in one building, which facilitates the technology transfer to industry.
The mission of the division Microstructure and Properties of Materials is to understand and to improve materials, in particular for renewable energy applications. Among these applications are fuel cells, gas turbines, biomass gasification, batteries, solar power and others. And we do that in particular by concentrating on thermodynamic and mechanical properties which we acquire, understand and improve. And we use this knowledge then to tailor new structural and functional materials as well as coating systems.
A key competence in our institute is the experimental determination of thermochemical and physical properties of energy materials. Materials and coatings for gas and aircraft turbines are tested with respect to their cyclic oxidation behavior in special automatic furnaces.
As part of our simulation activities, we aim to develop models for the physical and chemical processes within rechargeable batteries. We try to understand the origin of degradation processes during charging and discharging of our solid-state batteries.
Within the Plasma Physics division, we especially focus on plasma surface interaction. And on the one hand, we develop materials for next-step fusion devices, such as demonstration fusion power plant. And on the other hand, we test already existing materials for fusion devices which are already in operation now. So, for example, tungsten fiber reinforced tungsten is used to introduce tungsten fiber into tungsten matrix and therefore increase the ductility of tungsten. And then to counteract the problem of fast oxidation, we've got the self-passivating smart alloys where we have chromium as alloying passivating element, which then suppresses tungsten oxidation. Unique here at our location is that we've got different expertise in plasma etch, in surface interaction, also strong modeling activities, and this is all coming together in one place.
Here in Jülich, we can rely on skilled staff and an incredible research infrastructure, world-class synthesis, characterization platforms, as well as supercomputing facilities. We enjoy a lot the collaboration with academic and industry partners within Germany, Europe and worldwide. And only by joining our efforts, we are sure to remain at the forefront of materials research and make decisive steps to solve the energy challenge.